Well, as the president comes to town, Governor Hobbs is out of state. Same with the Arizona Secretary of State and Attorney General. So as a result, State Treasurer Kimberly Yee did release a statement. Maybe you saw this on social media last night, saying she will serve as acting governor until mid-morning today.
Dang. This video is brought to you by TatumStore.com. TatumStore.com. Get the merch link in the description section. Ladies and gentlemen, this shirt is coming soon. We should have them available on the store by the time you see this video. But we have this in the grayed out version. We have Jesus is Lord, or Fathers Matter in the grayed out version. And we also have Jesus is Lord in our new black on gray version. This is a pretty cool design. I think I like it like this better, to be honest. We may black it out, but it just depends. Like and subscribe to the channel. Y'all already know what to do. Let's get into this. Ladies and gentlemen, I was very displeased when I found out that Katie Hobbs really wasn't going to step down and vacate the gubernatorial seat. I think she's the worst governor in the union. How in the did we hire this idiot, elect this idiot to be in Oval Office? She's a grown baby. She never matured from being a kid. She's literally a grown baby running one of the greatest states in the union. And I'm disappointed about it. I'm mad about it. I hate it. I'm discouraged about it. And Republicans, we need to get out together, because how do we let this fool, look at this fool. She looks like a fool. She looks like a fool. And she talks like a fool. But so let me just explain the situation. It was kind of going viral for a little bit. Then people found out that it wasn't actually true. But there was a lot of people going around saying that Katie Hobbs had stepped down. I thought she stepped down, and I almost cheered. I almost made a video this morning celebrating the fact that she is no longer the governor. And maybe Carrie Lake could have got in there, or somebody else that's competent could have got in there. But it's a very quick video. What happens is, in the state of Arizona, and it's probably across most states, that when the Secretary of State and the Attorney General and the governor is all out of state at the same time, that means they're not physically in the state, that they have to put the next highest position in charge. And in Arizona is the treasurer, Kimberly Yee, who won by like 300,000 votes as a Republican in this last election. So that's pretty much what it is. I wanted to make sure I put that out there, so conservatives, we don't go around looking like fools and saying something is true and it's not true. So just so you know, Katie Hobbs is not out as the governor of the state of Arizona. I wish that she was. I'm sad to report that she isn't. And so don't go around telling your friends that it's some conspiracy that she somehow is going to get indicted and all that. Don't waste your time. B. Tatum has done the research for you. I want to make sure you don't look crazy in front of your liberal friends, because we got a lot more ammo to hit them with. So Katie Hobbs is just a logistic thing. She's back in the office as we speak, unfortunately. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So when something sounds too juicy, like Katie Hobbs somehow sneaking in the middle of the night and giving up her seat as the governor without making a statement, anything like that happens, make sure you slow down, do your research, and make sure you're right, because we don't want to be like the left. All right, see you on the next one. I'm out.